Good morning, everyone. Today's lesson is the lesson 11.2. Go on page 217 to 218. The topic is angle. Objective: to identify and draw a right and acute, obtuse, and straight angles. Okay, let's start the class now. First, what is an angle? Angle is a figure formed by two rays that intersect at common endpoint. The common endpoint is called the vertex. Okay, it's the turn to name an angle. We have three different ways to name an angle. Remember how does an angle? An angle has 3 points. For example, A, B, C, doesn't matter the order, just the number of the angle. We can name the angle like draw a symbol like this that means it's an angle, and then vertex. In this case, the vertex is 8. Angle 8. That's how to name an angle. Another for to name an angle is using words like angle 8. That's another way to naming angles. That's the first. Let me write like this. The second way to name an angle. The third way to name an angle is using the points like this. Remember, in this case, you have to write this symbol like this. This symbol means angle, and use the points that has the angle. In this case, remember something: the vertex is always in the middle. You need to use the 3 letters. In this case, BAC, angle BAC. The vertex is always in the middle. And another form to name an angle is like this. And always the vertex is in the middle. LCAB. Okay, remember this has to be clear. The middle, you have to put it the vertex name. Remember the vertex is A in this case. Okay, we have 3 different ways to name an angle. It doesn't matter in this case the order, but it's important that the vertex is always in the middle. And another is using words like angle A. Remember, the vertex give you the name of the angle, or using a symbol and write out the name of the vertex. Okay, those are 3 different ways to name an angle. Okay, let's try to do again. Try to name an angle using 3 different ways. Remember, the first, use a word like this one, angle, and remember what is the name of the angle. In this case, the vertex. The vertex is Y. You have to write it here. Angle Y. Another form to name an angle is using symbol like this. Angle Y. Angle Y. Another form, remember, is use the symbol and 3 points. Remember, the 3 points is X, Y, and Z, and always in the middle is the name of the vertex. Okay, this is the vertex is Y. You can name like this, or switching the letters like this case. Okay, come and see it again. There are 3 different forms to name an angle using words, angle, and the vertex. In this case, you need to use a symbol and the vertex, and use a symbol at the 3 different points that made up angle. Okay, and that's the how to name an angle. Okay, now we need to classify an angle by 3 different forms. The first is like a right angle. What's a right angle? It's like you have an L, like this. Suppose you have this. The opening of the 2 rays, in this case of these 2 lines, is for a 90 degrees, or like a L. This is a right angle. This is or 90 degree. How do you know it's 90 degree if you don't have a protractor? Let's suppose the angle has an A and oh, okay, this is right angle. How do you know it's 90 degree? All the angles that are right angle has a little square here for 90 degrees. This means 90 degrees. This little square you look at it in an angle, that's mean 90 degrees. In this case, this is an acute angle. What is an acute angle? Remember, right angle is like this to have an L. And acute is less than 90. Could be, this is 90. Suppose 89 is acute. And 90 is acute. 45 is acute. This decreasing 25 is acute. 1 degree and it's still acute. 0, there is no angle there. But between what is an acute angle? Acute angle is the angle has less than 90. Less, not 90, less. Less than 90 is an acute angle. Could be the different form. Remember, it's not always like this. The angle could be like this or like this, and it's still an acute angle. Acute angle always is less than 90. Okay, this is an example for acute. And a straight angle is another angle, and this is easy. The measure is not 90, not less than 90, is more than 90. More than 90, exactly 180. That's mean on a straight line. That's what is a straight angle because it has a vertex, and the angle that they form in this case is like on a straight line. This is a straight angle. Straight angle. Look at this. Remember, this is our right angle, acute angle, and a straight angle. Now it is missing one. The last kind of angle is the obtuse angle, and something important about this is the measure is between 90, more than 90, and 100. It's between 90 and 180, but has to be greater than 90 and less than 180. Why more than 90? Remember 90 right angle can be 90. Has to be more than 90. That's the obtuse. And not equal than 180 because 180 is on a straight line. So it has to be more than 90 or greater than 90 and less than 180. It's like this. Could be like this. That's an obtuse angle, or could be a little more, a little more, a little more. Not in a straight, not in a straight. A little more, less, less, less. Like this. Not like a right angle. Remember this, a little more than 90. Look, this is now obtuse angle. Obtuse angle that form an angle more than 90 and less than 180. That's an obtuse. Let's practice now. Okay, now let's classify the angle by the 4 different ways. Try to guess. Okay, what is the name of this angle? Say it aloud. That's a straight angle? No, it's not. Is this an obtuse? No, because obtuse is more than 90. Oh, 90. Okay, in this case, a 90, like a L, the name is not right angle. Okay, look at this, like a scissor. What is the name of this angle? It's an yes, try to say it, acute. This is an acute angle. Okay, what is this? Tell me, what is the name of this angle? Look at this. It's a straight angle. Straight angle. That's good. Excellent. Let's try it again. Acute, right, obtuse, straight. Again, acute, right, obtuse, straight. Acute, right, obtuse, and straight. That's good. Excellent. Remember, acute is less than 90. Right, is 90. And you always going to look at a little square here that indicates that is 90 degrees. 90. This little square, that means that you have a 90 degrees. Okay, good. And obtuse is more than 90. Let's read this. It's more than 90. This case is more than 90 and or greater. Okay, this is greater than 90 and less than 180. The 180 has a special name. Look at this, it's like on a straight line. Yes, that's it. This is a straight angle. Okay, that's it. That's how to classify the angles and 90 angle. Okay, this is an example how you're going to solve the problem in your book. First, you need to then name the angle, and then you need to classify like the angle as an acute, right, obtuse, or straight. Okay, remember what kind of angle is this? Oh yes, it's an acute. Let's write in acute. That's the how to classify. The classification in this case is acute. It's an acute angle. And now we need to name the angle, not only classify. We need to name the angle. We know 3 different ways to name the angle. Better going to use the shorter way, like using a symbol like this. That's mean angle. And remember the angle, you need to write in this case the 3 points. The 3 points that make the angle. Remember, you can name like a EFG or GFE. Always the letter and the vertex is in the middle. The vertex is always in the middle. This is let me like this. Okay, the angle is in this case. Let me do like this. G, F, and E. But if you prefer to name, let's change a marker like this. But if you want to name from a different way, you can do it like this. E, F, G. Never move the vertex because the vertex is in the middle. Okay, remember? Okay, that's what you have to do in your homework. You need to name the angle. Remember, it looks like a scissor is an acute. Name the angle. Classify the angle as acute, right, obtuse, and straight, and name the angle. You have 3 different forms. Bye bye.